South Africa. Hello everybody, we are still on our food safari of South African food. Today we're going to make something really fun. It's made with oats, some golden syrup, lots of butter. We are going to make the Oats Crunchie. I'm Megha Joshi and Megha Pop for you. Before we get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. To make our Oats Crunchie, you have the list of ingredients on your screen, so please don't forget to screenshot it so you could refer to it later on. So before we get started, let's just put our oven to preheat, so by the time our mixture is ready, our oven will be ready too. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to make our mix. I'm going to get a bowl first. Okay, we have two here, so one I'll use first. We're going to first put in our oats, all the dry ingredients in one bowl. So here goes in our oats. Then we're going to put our brown flour. Now our desiccated coconut. All in. Our baking powder, sugar, there we go. Give it a good mix, all the dry ingredients. Okay, there we go, give it the stir. Now what we'll do is we'll take the other bowl and we'll put the melted butter and our golden syrup. Just mix it all in nicely. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a little well. Pour in our butter and golden syrup. So here goes all of it. And here we go, mix it well, all together. So our mix is ready. What I'm going to do is just going to set it in the greased tray, so that whatever we're making does not stick. In this case, crunchy. Now, you do what you have to, which is just set it in the tray with your hands like this, using your fingertips. Okay, make sure it's even throughout. So you know, the beauty about South Africa is that we are known as the Rainbow Nation. And we are almost getting done with this. I just want it even throughout, you know, we don't want different sizes and shape. Now before we put it in the oven, I'm just going to cut it, because we won't be able to cut it once it's baked. So here we go. Just do it carefully, because you don't want it to crumble. Okay, there we go. I'm almost done, and here, I've finished cutting my crunchy. Now we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. So my crunchy is ready. It is nice and golden brown. I am quickly going to plate it and have it with a nice cup of ginger tea. Here's my Oats Crunchie ready. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But before I go, I gotta do the mandatory, which is eating my crunchy, dunking it in my ginger tea and enjoying it. It's divine.